hanner awr wedi mynd nawr, Emlyn Lewis. At Kyle McCarthy, cyfforddwr gwych Kyle McCarthy. Ac Elliot Evans ar ergyd yn isel a Mike Lewis. Arbediad da, cyd chwarae da nawr rhwng y Met. Joe Evans. Fi Wharton yn cael cyffyrddiad lleia arni. Baker a pres yn gadael hwnna. Pres yn diwedd, cael pas hyfryd tuag at Cottrell. Mewn i'r canol, a mae Nat Jarvis yn ei gwthio i fewn. Mae'r Barri ar y blaen. 3 munud o'r ail hanner. A'r Barri sy'n rhoi reswm i'r cefnogwyr ganu tu ôl i'r gôl. Nat Jarvis yn y cwrt. Felly Elliot Evans yn hon i'r cwrt bach. Lle mae Emlyn Lewis yn penio, ond mae myfyrwyr wedi union i'r sgôr. Cic osod dda gan Elliot Evans yn cael ei fflicio ymlaen gan Emlyn Lewis. Yn penio i'r gornel isa agosa. Felly, Carwyl Jordan Cottrell. Curtis Emerson yn troi, cael ei faglu, mae dal i fynd. O, gwych gael efo'n pres! Am gôl yn y munudau sydd wedi cael ei ychwanegu i ddwyn y fuddigoliaeth i'r Barri. A mae cefnogwyr y Barri ochr draw y ffens yn dathlu.
Delighted really. Look, I've got to say, I don't think there was much in the performance today from both teams. I thought it was just a competitive, battling performance from both teams, and you know, that's frustrating really, particularly after the highs of last week's performance. But at the same time, I've got to praise the lads for finding a way to win, and you know, there's no better way to win than scoring in stoppage time.
Myself and Gav just spoke at the end. There's a nothing game, you know, equal for two teams. We were the best 2 chances the first half. I don't think Barri had many chances at all. In fact, hardly any. But they scored 2 goals, and it's frustrating because that's the team we've become. I can't stand there every week and keep saying we're playing well, which we're playing well. But it's got to become a time when we have to, play well, but also shut up shop. And today, 95th minute in a local derby is not enough. Nowhere near enough.
Look, we know how relentless it's going to be now. The next 10 games are going to be relentless, but it's a challenge we look forward to. The schedule looks really busy, but the squad are primed for it, and as I said, it's a challenge now to excite us really.
We asked today for the performance today and the result today to be a framework to build upon. The performance can be built upon and is a good framework, but the result's not. We find ourselves in the bottom 3 because maybe 1 or 2 of our players have started to believe in their hype. Their own hype, and that's disappointment because we are a group of individuals. We're a team, we're not individuals. And I just saw right towards the end when that goal's gone in, 1 or 2 shrink their shoulders, and that's not for me. I've never shrunk in my life, and I never will shrink. So we have to fight and work hard together, and we find ourselves where we're at because we're the 3rd worst team in the league. It's down to myself, the other 2 coaches, but more importantly the players to work hard in the next week. So whoever we play for the first game back, there's the reaction because we can't keep playing well every week and losing. We've got to get a result, and the result quickly.